Hi guys, this is me Alfie from Alfie, and today we are doing a fruits Skittles experiment. So for example, we can't use other types of Skittles, but we are using these types of Skittles. I can't use giant ones, I can't use the 3 times bigger one, I can't use the chewy ones, I can't use the cookie ones, I can't use the others. The other ones that I'm allowed to use are the Skittles fruits flavours. This is the only flavour that we got now. Experiment time! Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. First, I'm doing them red. So the requirements you need are Skittles and water. So you've got red. Like the people through fire into my stars like we do. Some of the weather the window way outside. As the flags are swinging.
Alfie on the remix.
And that really true. Some of the weather over way outside. When the rumors are singing through this experiment.
Is it finished?
Oh, whoa.
Alright. Should we wrap that up? Does that look like a successful experiment?
I think it does look successful, but are we doing a double one? Are we doing that last one?
Alright, we've got another experiment to do.
When can we do it?
Hopefully later today. And what's the other experiment going to do?
It's called elephant toothpaste.
And we can't do that inside because...
Yeah.
Why can't we do it inside?
It's gonna flood the house.
It's going to flood the house.
Yeah, it's gonna flood everywhere. It's gonna flood you. And the house is gonna be destroyed for 6. Mum is gonna be so upset when we flood. But can we
So
do
we do it outside instead then, yeah?
So and then, if we can flood this house using elephant toothpaste. So, this is it, guys. This is the Skittles experiment. Don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment saying, well, it is so good anyways, and subscribe. Because I just hit 40 subscribers on my YouTube channel. The next video is going to be elephant toothpaste.
Yeah?
And you requested comment saying, elephant toothpaste please. That would be very helpful if I get my phone request off any other YouTuber. I'll be saying, Alfie, can you do a elephant toothpaste science experiment? And I will see you all later. Bye bye.